Aloha, little friends. Welcome to the warm, sandy shores of Sunbury Beach, where waves giggle and palm trees dance in the breeze. Today, someone very special is waiting to take you on a sea-sessional adventure.
I'm Stitch, your beach buddy. Grab your goggles, 'cause today we're diving into beach words and going on a shell hunt for special words with E in the middle. Look at those waves. Big, splashy, and silly. Say it with me. Wave. Whoa, what's that? A ship. A giant floating ship. Wait, what's that in the water? Oh no, the dolphin is stuck. He's caught in a fish net. Let's help him. Pull it, got it. That's our first word. N-E-T, net. Now, let's head to the shore. The sun is shining brighter now. Kiko the crab is pushing shiny shells. Inside are magical words. Zane goes first. L-E-G, leg. A leg like yours that runs on the sand. Musa opens a shell. B-E-D, bed. Tariq digs into the sand. Y-E-B, web, another shell. P-E-N, pen, to write your beach journal. Look up in the sky. J-E-T, jet. Tariq finds a red shell. E-D, red. What's that soft sound? Hey, E-N, hen. A hen on the beach. Musa opens a golden shell. V-E-T, vet. Time to celebrate. Here's your Aloha ice cream. BBQ corn. Hot and sweet. Fries for the clever kids. With Aloha sauce. Sit back. Breathe in the salty breeze. Stitch is playing his ukulele.
Aloha, little friends, to the shores where the sunshine never ends. Warm sand tickles every toe. Palm trees swaying nice and slow. Waves go giggle, splash and play. It's a sea-sessional kind of day. Something special's coming through. An adventure made just for you. Grab your goggles, hold on tight. We're diving down with sunny grins, where the shell hunt now begins. Look at those waves, slash and glide. Say it loud, wide with pride. What's that now? A floating ship, sailing past with a mighty zip. The ocean's full of magic and fun, and the surfing has just begun. Wait a sec, what do we see? A dolphin stuck and needs to be free. Pull the net, we're almost there. N-E-T, net, with care. Now let's head to the shore so wide, with the sun and shells by our side. Shiny shells with words inside. Crab is rolling them with pride. Open one, what's inside today? L-E-G, leg, let's say. One that runs through beachy sand, with speedy toes and happy hands. Next we see a cozy bed. B-E-D, soft and red. By the sea, a dreamy rest, where sunset naps feel the best. W-E-B, web on a shell. A spider's home, now isn't that swell? And here's a pen to write and draw. P-E-N, full of aloha. Zoom in high, look what we get. J-E-T, that's a jet. Swooshing through the sky so blue. It's flying just for me and you. R-E-D, a red shell found. Colors dancing all around. And what's that sound upon the sand? H-E-N, a hen, oh so grand. V-E-T, a helper near, who takes care of fish so dear. Time to celebrate, hooray. The ice cream's here to save the day. Coconut mango in a cone. Smiles and giggles all our own. Corn so hot with barbecue spice. Sweet and smoky, oh so nice. Fries for kids with minds so bright. Aloha sauce makes every bite right. Now breathe in deep the ocean air. Stitch plays tunes without a care. The sea friends dance, the tide rolls low, but your beachy brain still glow. With every wave and every word, the smartest voices we have and mahalo. With every wave and every word, the smartest voices we have heard. So sing it loud, don't be slow. Aloha and mahalo.